boy, they possess a gift or two. One of them is this: they have the power to make a wish come true.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish to this dreamers, as dreamers do, and all our wishes will come true. You wish on a star, makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come to you.
Pretty, huh? I'll bet a lot of you folks don't believe that about a wish coming true, do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket, but let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen, and it all starts with a wish.
I wish I could go to the ball. I'm wishing someday my prince will come.
No request is too extreme.
I wish, oh, I wish I could be part of that world.
I wish we'd never have to grow up. Off to Neverland! Any wish upon a star as dreamers do.
Longevity? Someday I wish I could be a real boy.
Genie, I wish for your freedom. Wishes.
You know, any wish is possible. All it takes is a little courage to set it free.
他们俩恋爱的感觉。
A wish is a powerful thing, especially when it comes from the heart.
She brings to those who love the sweet fulfillment of their sacred
in and sees you through. When you wish upon a star, your dreams come true. Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways.
Wow! 10,000 years to give you such a crick in the neck. Hello, people. I'm here. Come on. We've got some wishes to grant.
Now, don't worry. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Slave in the magic mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon thee. Let me see thy face. A blast of wind to fan my feet. A thunderbolt to cast my spell. Alas, grant me my wish as well.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful what you wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Well, I'll be. It's the Blue Fairy!
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish and wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. 'Cause that, my friends, is where the magic lives.
Wishes, dream a dream. Wishes, set me free. Wishes, trust your heart. Just believe. Just believe. Just believe.
to do?
Thanks, folks, for making this little gathering of ours so extra magical. And from our family and friends to yours, may all your wishes come true. So long.
Starlight, starbright, first star I see tonight. I wish I might, have the wish tonight. Wishes